Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing a beautiful 4x4 lace front Brazilian body wave wig. The wig looks so pretty from the pictures. I am so excited. The Amazon Prime vendor's name is called Le Secret. Okay, I dig it. Le Secret meets Slate Secrets, okay? But anyways, without further ado, let's check out this wig. And you know this bag has goodies. The first goodie that I see are some lashes. These are simple, but they definitely will be used. And just guess, take a wild guess what the last goodie is. Wig caps. I have wig caps for days. Literally will never have to buy another wig cap again. I appreciate you guys though, I do. All right, you know what's next? The wig. All right, let's get started. So the first topic is initial shedding. I'm going to do my normal comb through. This wig did not shed not one strand of hair, okay? There is no shedding for this wig, so kudos to that. The next topic is true to length. This wig is supposed to be 20 inches long, so let's go ahead and double check that. Okay, so I have the measuring tape starting at the very first track after the lace closure. The wig is hanging freely, and literally the 20-inch mark is right here. The hair ends literally fall just before 20 inches. They definitely get a point for true to length. I will say you can see through the hair ends in this area. After 16 inches, that is when the hair ends start to get a little bit thinner. This is common for longer wigs. The longer the wig is, the thinner it is at the hair ends. Regardless, this wig overall does reach the 20-inch mark. They are right on the money. So they definitely get a point for true to length. So kudos to that. The next topic is smell. And this wig does not smell bad at all. This wig smells like a fresh pack of bundles, okay? This wig smells like new hair. Kudos to that. Tangles. As you can see, I am not having any issues combing my fingers through this hair. This wig is definitely tangle free. That's what's up. So kudos to that. Volume. This hair has great volume. And let me tell you, boy, this wig is thick. When I was combing my fingers through this wig, I tried not to make a reaction. I really do try not to react because I don't want to spoil it, but this wig definitely is thick. They gave an excellent amount of hair for this wig. The vendor says that the density is 150. I believe you. So that's what's up. Kudos to that. Kudos. And then the hair ends. The hair ends look good. The hair ends are not dry. They did a good job maintaining the moisture for this wig for sure. So kudos to that. Along with this wig being tangle free, the texture is completely wonderful. I really like the texture for this wig. This wig is definitely soft. So I'm going to enjoy combing my fingers through this hair majority of the time of wearing this wig for sure. The hair is thick and soft. Like, we are winning over here. We are winning, okay? And the hair pattern is Brazilian body wave. The waves on this wig are so nice. This is definitely a good grade of hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the wig structure. This is the front of the wig. It has a 4x4 lace closure. This lace closure has a free parting space. You can part this wig in a variety of directions within the 4x4 lace. The hairline is pre-plucked on this wig. There are no baby hair for this wig. I do see a couple of short hair strands in the front of the wig. So if that's supposed to be baby hair, it's not a lot of baby hair. Either way, I take advantage of creating my own baby hair. So let's go ahead and look at the internal structure of this wig. So this is the front of the wig. This is where the 4x4 lace closure is. Let's go ahead and measure the parting space on this side of the wig cap. Okay, so the hairline is in this area. The lace closure does measure to be about 4 inches deep, and it is also about 4 inches wide across. So this is a 4x4 parting space. So kudos to that. Okay, so they do provide you wig clips for this wig. You have one on the left and the right side of the wig, and then one in the center of the wig. And then if we turn to the back, at the top of the wig, that's the same center wig clip, but they do also give you a fourth wig clip down at the bottom of the wig. This wig also has the classic drawstrings and the many belt loops to hook the drawstrings to adjust the cap. And then they give you a little bit of lace. This back lace that they provide has tracks going across it. It doesn't have any free hair strands coming from the lace. It's just tracks going across. So don't get too excited. Here's a close-up of the back lace with the tracks going across. Hopefully you have an idea of how this back lace looks. Nothing really special at all. So that is it for this wig. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and I am loving the curl pattern. Like, this is absolutely stunning, but it doesn't fit my head. Guys, this wig is so tight. I feel the headache brewing on my head. It's coming. The headache is on the way. And that makes me so sad because this wig is so nice. It's so nice, but it doesn't fit my head. It does not fit my head. This wig is not big head friendly, not one bit, but it has so much potential. This is plenty of hair. Like this, I'm definitely digging the amount of hair that they gave for this wig. This wig is full, but she doesn't fit me. And she moves so easily, like she is easy to move around. Like her body is like there. Like what? Give me body weight. But again, she doesn't fit. She does not fit. So overall, I am rating this wig a 9 out of 10. Losing 1 point because it is not big head friendly. And you know that is something that is very important for me. If the wig fits my head, and this wig does not fit my head, but she is gorgeous. They need to recreate this wig and make it a 13x6 lace frontal. Oh my gosh. Y'all would make so much money. But also, let's not forget, make the cap size just a smidget bigger for, you know, us big head individuals. For us individuals who need just a little bit more room in the cap because our hair is kind of thick and puffy, you know. We have a lot of hair. But I am loving this wig, guys. Even though I do feel my head hurting, I'm still going to wear this wig. She just flows so nicely. She does. And she feels nice. Like, I will be playing in this hair all day and you'll just see me do this all day. You can see my wig cap. Like, this wig definitely does not fit my head. Breaks my heart. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments. All product details will be listed down in the description. Be sure to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye!